Restoring a leather steering wheel can bring back its original beauty and feel, making your driving experience more comfortable and stylish. Thankfully, restoring it is a simple process with the right tools and methods. Sandpaper helps smooth rough spots and removes dirt. It also prepares the leather for dyeing or conditioning to restore its softness. Firstly, apply some leather cleaner on a brush and scrub it on your steering. Then, wipe it with a clean cloth. Gently rub the sandpaper on steering to remove dirt and residue. Apply some liquid degreaser on a cloth and clean the steering with it. It will remove all the grease and oil residues. Use a hair dryer to dry the area. Finally, apply some steering dye on a sponge and apply it on leather steering. This method will give you amazing results. A magic eraser removes dirt and stains from a leather steering wheel without harming it. Take a magic eraser and soak it in water. Wring out the excess water from the eraser and scrub it on your leather steering wheel. Then, clean it with a cloth, and you will get amazing results. Rubbing alcohol cleans dirt and oil from a leather steering wheel. It also helps the leather absorb conditioners or dyes better. Clean the leather steering with rubbing alcohol to remove dirt and stains from it. Then, use a leather sanding pad to scrub the area. It will help to smooth the surface of steering. And again clean it with rubbing alcohol. Now, take a leather dye according to your steering color. Pour some dye on a sponge and apply the dye on steering. Dry it with a hair dryer and you will get outstanding results. Leather cleaner removes dirt, oil, and stains while gently preserving the leather's texture and appearance. Chemical Guy's leather cleaner safely cleans leather surfaces without damaging or drying out the material. It helps maintain the natural look of leather, restoring its original texture and softness. The cleaner does not leave behind a greasy residue, which can attract more dirt. Leather conditioner is essential for keeping your car's leather seats and interior soft, smooth, and protected from drying or cracking. Leather Honey leather conditioner nourishes and softens leather, preventing cracks and dryness. It restores the natural texture and shine of leather surfaces. The conditioner also provides long-lasting protection against stains and moisture. So, by using these methods and techniques, you can restore a leather steering wheel.